Welcome back to Automotive World. Today, we're taking a deep dive into one of the most luxurious and powerful full-size SUVs of the year, the 2025 GMC Yukon Denali. This new iteration from GMC continues to set the benchmark in the premium SUV segment with its bold styling, cutting-edge technology, and exceptional performance. Whether you're looking for space, style, or capability, the 2025 Yukon Denali promises to deliver on all fronts. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 GMC Yukon Denali boasts a commanding road presence. Its bold chrome-accented grille, signature C-shaped LED headlights, and sculpted body lines give it a high-end, muscular look. The Denali trim comes with unique 22-inch wheels and exclusive Denali badging, helping it stand out even more. GMC has done an excellent job of blending rugged utility with refined sophistication, making it just as at home on city streets as it is on winding backroads. Under the hood, the 2025 Yukon Denali offers powerful engine options. Buyers can choose between the 6.2-liter V8 engine producing 420 horsepower and 460 pound-feet of torque, or the available 3.0-liter Duramax turbo diesel inline-six, which delivers impressive torque and efficiency. Both engines are paired with a smooth 10-speed automatic transmission, providing responsive shifts and refined highway cruising. This SUV is built for performance, whether you're towing a trailer or cruising down the freeway. Speaking of towing, the 2025 Yukon Denali can tow up to 8,200 pounds when properly equipped, making it an excellent choice for families with boats, trailers, or campers. The magnetic ride control and available air ride adaptive suspension ensure a comfortable and controlled ride, no matter the road conditions. The four-wheel drive system with a 2-speed transfer case adds confidence on challenging terrain, enhancing its versatility. Inside, the 2025 Yukon Denali impresses with a luxurious and high-tech cabin. Premium materials like authentic wood trim, perforated leather seating, and brushed metal accents create a first-class atmosphere. The front seats are heated, ventilated, and offer massage functions, while the second-row captain's chairs also come with heating features. With seating for up to 7 passengers, comfort is a top priority, and there's ample legroom in all 3 rows. Technology in the Yukon Denali is truly cutting-edge. The centerpiece is the 10.2-inch touchscreen infotainment system powered by GMC's latest interface, featuring wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. There's also a 15-inch head-up display and a 12-inch digital instrument cluster that keeps all vital information in the driver's line of sight. Passengers in the rear can enjoy the optional dual 12.6-inch rear seat entertainment screens with streaming capability, perfect for keeping kids entertained on long road trips. Another highlight is the Yukon Denali's available Super Cruise technology. This hands-free driver assist system works on compatible highways, allowing the driver to relax during long-distance journeys while staying safe and alert. It uses a combination of cameras, sensors, and GPS data to maintain lane position, speed, and even change lanes automatically when needed. GMC continues to push the envelope in advanced safety and convenience features. Cargo space is another strong point of the 2025 Yukon Denali. Behind the third row, there's over 25 cubic feet of cargo space, which expands to nearly 123 cubic feet with the second and third rows folded flat. A power-sliding center console adds extra storage flexibility, allowing you to move it back to access hidden compartments or slide it forward for a more spacious front area. GMC ensures practicality is just as much a focus as luxury. In terms of safety, GMC has equipped the Yukon Denali with a comprehensive suite of advanced driver assistance features. This includes automatic emergency braking, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, and adaptive cruise control. The Denali trim also comes with a high-definition surround vision system, providing a 360-degree view around the vehicle to aid in parking and tight maneuvering. Fuel economy for the Yukon Denali is competitive for its class. The 6.2-liter V8 gets an estimated 14 mpg in the city and 20 mpg on the highway, while the diesel option improves those numbers significantly, especially for highway cruising. Although this is a large SUV, GMC has done a good job of balancing power with reasonable efficiency, especially with features like engine stop, start and cylinder deactivation. For families who need space, tech, and performance wrapped in luxury, the 2025 GMC Yukon Denali checks all the boxes. Whether you're taking your family on a road trip, hauling equipment, or just cruising in style, this SUV provides a refined experience from every angle. It's no surprise that the Yukon Denali continues to be a top choice among full-size SUVs. As for pricing, the 2025 GMC Yukon Denali is expected to start around $77,000, with fully loaded models reaching close to $90,000 depending on the option selected. That might sound like a premium price tag, but given everything it offers, from power and space to technology and luxury, the Yukon Denali delivers strong value in the high-end SUV market. Thanks for watching Automotive World. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and updates on the latest vehicles. Let us know in the comments what you think about the new GMC Yukon Denali. Is it the full-size SUV of your dreams? Stay tuned for more automotive content coming soon.